Good morning, children. Welcome back on your science online classes. In the previous class, I had explained you about how to prevent rusting. There are the several methods from which we can prevent it from the rusting. Now we will study about the crystallization. What do you mean by crystallization? Crystallization means formation of crystal from a homogeneous solution. Crystals are formed in many shapes such as cubic, tetragonal, hexagonal and triangular in the shape. Yes, in class 6 you people have studied about how the salt is prepared. Salt is prepared from the seawater. Seawater is collected in a pit and that evaporation process take place. When the evaporation process completed, then a salt of a crystals are left in the pit. That is called as a crystals of a salt. Yes, another example I will give you. Take a pot, pour some water and boil the water. Okay, and add a table salt while stirring to make a water salt solution. Continue adding salt until no more salt will be dissolved in the solution. That solution is called as a saturated solution. Means one stage, the stage will come in which no more salt can be dissolved. Okay, now add one more teaspoon of a salt. The salt that will not dissolve further will help in the first step in the crystallization process. So this first step is called as a nucleation or primary nucleation. The salt resting at the bottom of the pot will provide a site of a nucleation to occur. Now start boiling the solution until all the water content is boiled. What you will observe, all the water will evaporate. Then a crystals of a salts will remain at the bottom of the container. Yes, in this way the crystals of a salts can be formed. Yes, so now we came to the end of the topic. Now let us see the key terms. What are the various topic we had covered, we had learned in the previous class. We had learned about the aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means solution in water. Okay, then blue withdrawal, copper sulfate is called as a blue withdrawal. Displacement reaction, a reactions in which one element replaces the another in a compound. Means the more reactive metal can displaces the another or less reactive metal from the solution. That is called as a displacement reaction. Yes, next corrosion. Corrosion means oxidation or rusting. A reaction between a materials and its environment. In the environment, what is present? Air, oxygen, water vapor is present. Especially if it is react with the metals, it forms a metal oxide. Then the next we have studied is alloy. What is alloy? Mixing a 2 or 3 metal homogeneously. That is called as a alloy. Anodizing. Anodizing means forming an oxide layer of aluminium on a metal surface. That is called as a anodizing. Galvanizing means the metal is dipped in a molten zinc and that process is called as a galvanizing. Crystallization, now we had studied formation of solid crystals from a solution, that is called as a crystallization. Saturated solution means a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. That is called as a saturated solution. Nucleation, the first step in crystallization is a nucleation in which if we are adding more and more solute in the solution but the solute cannot be dissolved in that is called as a nucleation. Physical change involves a change only in the physical property. In this no new substance can be formed. Then next one is chemical change. Chemical change occur whenever compounds are either formed or decomposed. In this new substance are formed. Then the next topic we had covered is rusting. Rusting means oxidation. it is actually corrosions. Then next one, electroplating. It prevents the metal layer from being coming in contact with the air and the moisture. Then the next one, painting and greasing. By painting and greasing we can save the metals from being corroded. Then another one is anodizing. Forms aluminum oxide, a transparent ceramic much harder than aluminium, so it is a highly scratchable resistance. Then again the last one is electroplating. Electroplating means depositing a protective coating of a metal on another metal by electrolysis process. So these are the several methods we had studied to prevent it from the corrosion. Yes, now we had completed the key terms and we came to the end of the lesson. So let's move to the objectives part, that is multiple choice questions. After completing that objectives, I will give you that very short answer type questions, short answer type and long answer type questions in the PDF. Yes, so let us start the multiple choice question. Yes, take the correct option. See the first one. In a physical process, which of the following does not change? Option given is first one shape, second one size, third one color, fourth one substance. So answer is substance. Then see the second one. Which of the following is are the example of physical change? First option given is making of a wooden bat from wood. Second, drawing a piece of copper into the wire. Third, a plain sheet of a paper is crumpled. And the fourth, all of these. Yes, all the three options are correct. So answer is all of these. See the third one. Which of the following is a chemical change? First option is mixing of a sugar crystal in water. Second option, rusting of iron. Third option, both A and B. Fourth option, neither A nor B. So your answer is both A and B. Both option A and B is correct. It is a it is a chemical change. So now the fourth one. A chemical changes involve first option, change in color. Second option, change in the state. Third option, change in temperature. Then the fourth option, all of these. So your answer is all of these. See the fifth one. Rusting is first option given is the reaction of air on metal. Second option, the reaction of water on metals. Third option, the reaction of paint on metals. And the fourth option, the scientific term used for galvanization. So here both the options are correct. The reactions of air on metal and the reactions of water on metal, because in the environment, in the surrounding, water vapor as well as the air is present. So both the options are correct, A and B. See the next one. Rusting can be prevented by first option given is painting. Second option given is electroplating. Third option given is anodizing. And the fourth option given is all of these. So your answer is all of this. By painting, by electroplating, by anodizing, we can prevent it from the rusting. Now see the seventh one. For crystallization to take place, the solution must be, first option is saturated, second option is unsaturated, third option is supersaturated, and the fourth one is a hot. So your answer is a supersaturated. Eighth one. Formation of solid crystal from a homogeneous solution is known as, first option given is galvanization, second option nucleation, third option crystallization, and the fourth option is saturation. So your answer is crystallization. Now that object in multiple choice questions we had completed, now we will move to the second part, that is fill in the blanks. Yes, see the first one. Water molecules easily dash the microscopic pits and cracks in any exposed matter. Yes, answer is penetrate, penetrate. Then second one, dash is mixing two or three metals homogeneously with each other. Answer is alloying, ALLOYING. Alloying is mixing two or three metal homogeneously with each other. Then third one, do not stare at the dash of burning magnesium ribbon for a long. Answer is dazzling, DAZZLING, dazzling. Yes, then the fourth one, dash is a change is in the physical property of a substance. Shape and size is a change in the physical property of a substance. Then the last one is dash occurs whenever compounds are either formed or decomposed. Yes, answer is chemical changes occurs whenever compounds are either formed or decomposed. Yes, now we will move to the next part, that is a third part, that is true and false. Yes, first sentence is given there. Rusting is actually corrosion. Yes, it is correct. True. Rusting is actually a corrosion oxidation. Then second one, chemical change is reversible. Chemical change is reversible. No, it is not reversible. It is a irreversible. So it will be false. Then third one, burning of food is a physical change. No, it is a chemical change. So it will be false. Fourth one, making of cricket bat, it is a chemical change. No, it is a physical change. So answer is false. Now fifth one, rusting can be prevented by painting. Yes, rusting can be prevented by painting. So it will be true. Now we will move to the next part, that is a match the following. Match the column. Here column A and column B is given there. So in column A, just write down the alphabetic letters in front of that word. So first one, anodizing. Anodizing is a aluminium oxide. So write down F there. Then second one, gold plated ornaments. Gold plated ornaments, it is done by the electroplating. So your answer is D. So write down there D. Then third one, sea water. Sea water is collected, okay, for forming a crystals by the crystallization process. That sea water is collected in a pit, okay, for crystallization process. So your answer is a. Then the fourth one, chemical change. Yes, chemical change. Baking a cake is a chemical change. So your answer will be B. Yes, setting of a curd. Yes, setting of a curd is also a chemical change. It is also a chemical change. So your answer will be C. Yes, the last one, brass. Brass is a alloy of a copper and the zinc. So your answer will be E. So in this way we had completed the objectives portion, and now in the next class I will give you very short answer type questions, short answer type question and the long answer type question. Thank you children. Whatever I had dictated, please note it down in your book and go through it. Yes, thank you very much.